Laser projectors illuminate the sheets, displaying digital templates. 60% is marked for the fuel tank sections.
A long, articulated nozzle flushes the F-15EX tank with high-purity nitrogen, removing microscopic particulates and moisture.
The fusion zones look completely uniform, no voids.
Confirmed. Radiographic results are optimal. We can clear it for pressure testing.
The automated fusion welding process has created a flawless, airtight seal, confirming the structural soundness of this pressure vessel.
The helium mass spectrometer detects minute traces of escaping gas, ensuring aerospace-grade sealing standards are met for the F-15EX.
Confirming zero helium detection on the Eagle II tank.
Parameters logged. Test successful.
Following successful pressure and leak tests, the internal pressure of the F-15EX external fuel tank is safely bled off.
The borescope provides a high-definition view of the tank's interior, inspecting the weld beads and baffles. This
Finalizing the completion of Process A, the F-15EX tank is now ready for distribution, concluding this workflow before the focus shifts to Process B.
The routing here seems slightly off the blueprint specification.
It's within tolerance, but I'll use the tool to guide it closer to the baseline.
Pre-cut aluminum sheets move through the cleaning and bonding station. The plasma etching.
A precise bead of aerospace-grade structural adhesive is applied, crucial for distributing loads and preventing panel.
Alignment is perfect.
Systems check complete. We are good to proceed.
The phased array analysis on Section 49er is complete.
Eddy current data confirms structural integrity. Looks good.
Here we see the completed Process B product, the F-15EX airframe, being fitted with protective covers before its automated transfer to the integration facility.
Confirming alignment on the tablet.
Looks good. Securing the aft bolts now.
Pressure check is reading stable.
The final rollout marks the successful conclusion of Process B, delivering the ultimate product structure.
The crew chief conducts the final system check, ensuring the Eagle II is fully operational and flight ready.
As the Eagle II pulls geese, the Process B aluminum components handle the extreme load with precision, showcasing the robustness of the airframe.
The F-15EX Eagle II demonstrates unparalleled low-altitude performance. This is the product of Process B, precision manufacturing at its finest.
The touchdown demonstrates the remarkable resilience of the Process B airframe, as the landing gear absorbs the massive impact forces.
All right, bring her right here. A little more, a little more. And hold it right there. Brake set.
Everything checked out perfectly. Welcome back, ma'am. Systems look nominal.
In this modern hangar, the F-15EX Eagle II undergoes routine maintenance. The integration